Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your panels in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we can do is if we want to muck around with our presets here or our panels, we can go ahead and drag and drop these colors or these little tabs around. So basically what we want to do is click and hold down that tab and just move it to a spot on your artboard like so. If I want to put my swatches over here too, and also say layers on the right hand side. So this is so basically what this does is just makes it a bit easier while you're working on your project. Now if we want to go ahead and add this as a preset, we can. So what we can do is click onto window, panels, and then add a preset. Then I'm going to call this test 2 and click OK. Now, as you can see, test 2, this is going to be like that. So if I go in and come up here, click on panels and go to test 1, this is another preset I've used. So this is going to add that preset. And now if I want to switch back over to test 2, with this preset, it can. So this is a great way to add presets. Now, if you want to manage your presets, you can do that as well. So go to panels, click onto manage presets, and you can see all your presets here. You can go ahead and rename, delete, or apply. So there we go. So I've just applied that preset 1 here, or test 1. Now another thing what we can do is come over here to the top right hand corner, click onto the little drop down menu, and then from here we can go ahead and click onto panels. And now this is going to give us more options here, so we can customize all of our panels. So if we want to add in anchors, we can. So you can see anchors are going to be placed up here, so you can have a look at all the different panels we can add in. So if I want to add in notes, I can do that. So I'm going to click onto notes here. Now basically we can just click close, and now if I want to add this to my artboard or make it easier to view, I can do so like that and add that as a preset if I like.